First, mic check. Recording is on. Screen is getting shared. Hello there, everyone. I'm so in a quickly. I want to do the daily review of what I have done yesterday, how I finished yesterday's task or not. If yes, awesome. If no, then why, and figure out why and how bullshit things. Not bullshit things. Awesome things. So look at this. So this is the end. Today is this is not updated yet. I need to update all of this. So currently we are doing this lecture 7, and we need to do the lecture 8, lecture 9, and today lecture 10th. Technically I should be doing the only lecture 10, but I was got behind of my schedule because of today's today's 12, right? Tomorrow is my dad's birthday. Database inline. So this is how it looks like, brother. Getting behind because of the distraction we are heading towards. A lot more distraction here. As is, if I plan, it should be happen, But there are certain number of things which I haven't considered. 21. What the fuck is this? May 10, May 11. Shit, it's getting okay. May 10, May. Oh yeah, exactly. No, it's not. I'm just like, so lecture. Yesterday's was lecture 6, 7, 8. 6 is done. So day before yesterday we have to do 6, 7, 6, 7. Oh my god, how in the world it's got 9, 8. So day before yesterday, I mean, this is a day before yesterday, like May 10, and we are doing the daily review of yesterday, that is 11. So in for 11 we were scheduled for 6 again, 6, 7, 8, which is the same exact thing, man. This is something wrong. Fuck. But the fact is, I need to update all of this. But the fact is, yesterday we have planned 6, 7, 8. 6 is done. Now 7, 8 is need to be remaining. I was working on previous task. Why I haven't finished this? Because this has to be complete today. Today the lecture 10 should be get started. Now, yesterday was as well 9th as well, 6, 7, 8, 9. Holy shit, this is getting pending a lot. Solution is going to do tomorrow's task today. So this is how it looks like. Yesterday was scheduled 6, 7, 8, 9. This 4 lectures, and we haven't able to finish. We have able to just finish one, and now pending lectures are 7, 8, 9. Shit. So now we have to do the lectures. What else? I will try to finish it today. It is impossible to do it. Yeah, it is like whatever we think. If I think like it is impossible, it is impossible. But I have to be realistic. One lecture is taking like 3 to 4 hours, and I just have like, now after job I just have like 5 to 6 hours. Impossible to do one to like 4 lectures at the same time. Impossible. So let's do the lecture 7. Today's day is 12th May. Let's do a lecture 7. This is what the daily review is. We are getting pending on pending on pending. I have to double up, I have to speed up the things. Signing off.